Today I'm going to show you how to turn a JPEG to a PNG in Photoshop. It's very easy. So let's go onto the internet here and grab a JPEG. I'm going to grab this sunflower. I'm going to right click, copy image. You could also save it and then drag it in. So Control V is how you paste in. Now that we've pasted it in, we're going to want to go to the top here, File, Export, Export as. Now here we can change the format to PNG. There's a few other things we can change here if you want to change the scale of it. This is going to make it a smaller file. You can click small file. You can click transparency, which will make the background transparent if there's nothing there. There's tons of options that you can do here. But then once you're ready, you can press export. Once you press export, it's going to bring up a file destination place. Select where you want it to be saved to. And then once you've done that, press save, and it will be exported there as a PNG. Now you can also do this vice versa. So if you want to change a JPEG, if you want to change a PNG into a JPEG, you can put the PNG in here, and then change this to JPEG and change the settings here. The thing that's good about JPEG is you can change the quality, which will make the file size smaller. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.